Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on so the display and head unit are live. Next, press Menu or Setup on the infotainment, or use the Trip/Multi-Info button on the instrument cluster to reach system settings. Once in system, select Clock or Clock Adjust to begin. This immediately puts you into the editable time fields so you can change hours and minutes. Don't exit until you see editable controls. Now adjust the hour and minute values using the touchscreen taps or the rotary knob and confirm with Enter or OK. While doing so, decide between 12-hour and 24-hour format. If in 12-hour mode, set AM or PM explicitly. If your Swift supports GPS or smartphone pairing, enable automatic time sync so the clock updates itself for time zones and daylight saving. Once the digits show correctly, move to Finish by selecting Save or Apply. Many head units will confirm or autosave when you exit the clock menu. Once saved, turn ignition off then back on and verify the displayed time persists across restart. If the clock reverts or won't hold settings, make sure the vehicle battery voltage is stable, inspect the relevant fuse, and try a soft reset of the head unit. If problems continue, consult dealer diagnostics for persistent memory or module faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.